Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are justify some statement which is true or false. Our topics is based on sets are collection of elements. First, we have to know what is sets. Sets are collections of elements. A set is a collection of objects. Each object in the set is called an element or a member. You use the symbol epsilon to show that something is a member of a set. You can read this is an element of, or you can say is a member of. The symbol not epsilon means the opposite. It means it's not an element or it's not a member of. Now we are going to determine a statement which is true or false. Here is set A. The element is 1, X, 2, B. Number A. Here is X, element A. Number B, 2, element of A. Number C, 1 is not element of A. And number D, 3 is element of A. So which one is true and false? Let's check. X is an element of A. This one is right thing. So the statement is true. 2 also an element of A. Therefore this statement also true. 1 also element of A, but here it is mentioned not element of A. It means the statement is false. The right thing is 1 is a element of A. And finally 3 is not an element of A. Look, here is no object name is 3. Therefore the statement is false. Why? Because in D mentioned 3 is element of A, but 3 is not element of A. So the statement is false. Number 2. Here is also a set A. X, 2, 4, Y is an object of A or element of A. Now determine whether each of the following statements is true or false. Y. Y is an element of A. So the statement is true. Okay. Y is an element of A. So statement is true. 2 also element of A. So this one also true. Number C. Here is mentioned 6 not element of A. And we also see here is no 6. It means the statement is true. Right? It's a true. And number D. Here is mentioned 4 not element of A. But we are seeing that here is 4 which is element of A. It means the statement is false. Right? Hope you understand everything. This kinds of problem or this kinds of statement is very important for examination. So hope this video is helping you. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.